Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change username on Vinted. First, open Vinted in your web browser and log in. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Profile from the drop-down. Click Edit Profile on the right side. Scroll down to Account Settings. Find the field for your full name or username. Delete the current name and enter your new username. Scroll up or down and click Save. Your new username is now updated. And that's it. That's how to change username on Vinted. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.